So these two, I just put straight paint on it. I used this paint and put them on. This one, I mixed in the fabric softener with the paint and put it on. Then this one, because the paint tends to coagulate and get thick, I added a little bit of water because it's a water-based paint and did this one. This is all single coats, so obviously I would put more than one coat. After drying, these two are really stiff. You can kind of see that they're not super pliable. But this one, on the other hand, see, I mean, all I have to do is do this and it just kind of really crunches up. This one does it too, but not as much. See, the water made it kind of stiff. So the best option is straight paint and straight fabric softener. I'd have to say I'm thrilled with the results of the chair. The actual feel of the chair is pliable. It's soft. It feels like a faux leather. And now I can wipe it off. I don't have to worry about water spots or anything where you do with microfiber. And I would definitely do this again.